7 News alert with multiple emergency responses across the upstate because of all these recent storms. Local agencies are urging folks to use caution. 2 sinkholes have been reported. A church was struck by lightning. Kelsey O'Donnell standing by with more on that live from Greenwood. Kelsey.
Yeah, Gordon, when those storms crossed the region this week, they certainly left a mark. You said 2 different sinkholes, one of them right here in Greenwood, right behind us, the other in Lawrence County, and a church was struck by lightning in Greenville. Lined with caution tape and blocked off with road closure signs, crews across the upstate are assessing damage and making repairs after a pair of sinkholes were reported.
It's crazy. You know, big old sinkhole.
Drivers are being diverted around Walker Avenue in Greenwood, a road in a residential area that partially collapsed, causing some concern for residents.
I was shocked because I've never been that close on. I've seen it on TV, but not personally.
It don't usually happen down here.
Crews from the South Carolina Department of Transportation tell us the damage was likely caused by flooding in the area from recent storms as they work to rebuild the surface.
Nothing too major, but it's going to take a little bit before I think they'd get it repaired.
Greenwood's police chief says they received the initial report Tuesday.
Just to avoid the area, we have it blocked off now so you can't get to it because it's still unsafe until DOT can get in there and do everything they need to do with it.
It's a similar situation in Lawrence County. A sinkhole was reported to police in the drive-through of a business, swallowing the surface across 2 properties. Roped off with caution tape, crews assessed the damage Wednesday. A spokesperson from Lawrence CPW tells us service in the area was not interrupted. In Greenville, city fire crews say the John Wesley United Methodist Church was struck by lightning Tuesday morning. Firefighters say the bolt hit the top of the church's steeple, causing visible structural damage. There was no fire, but crews say they were called as a precaution to inspect for any secondary hazards. Back in Greenwood with saturated grounds, officials are reminding you to take your time on the roads and know what to do if an unexpected situation arises.
They can call 911 or they can call DOT and just say, hey, look, you need to check this out. There's something going on.
In all 3 of these situations, we're told people from the community called in to report it to authority, and luckily no one was injured. Live in Greenwood, Kelsey O'Donnell, 7 News.
All right, Kelsey, thank you. The National Weather Service did confirm an EF0 tornado hit Calhoun Falls very briefly on Monday. Chief Meteorologist Malachi Rogers just about the only person on air warning folks about that at the time. He's back with more on our forecast.
Yeah, Gordon, a much quieter day across the region. And again, we are here to make sure that people are safe as we get severe storms like that. As we take a look at that storm as it moved through Abbeville County, there's Calhoun Falls, and the tornado itself only about 2 miles long and about 20 miles wide, and EF0 wind speeds. That's the weakest level, wind speeds of 65 miles an hour. A lot of tree damage and branches down as it made contact near Mud Creek Road and then dissipated right over Latimer Road in parts of Abbeville. Thankfully, no one was injured from that, but something that we want to track and keep an eye on anytime those severe storms and specifically tornadoes pop up. Now,